Hi, today I'm going to teach you how to cast your phone to your smart TV. This tutorial is for Android. It may or may not work in iOS. Follow along. So here, as you can see, I have my Android phone. First thing you want to make sure is that your smart TV and your phone are both connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Otherwise, this process won't work. Okay, now you're going to swipe down and click the settings icon on the top right. From there, go to Connections where it says Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. And then you're going to open Bluetooth. Turn the Bluetooth on and you will see your smart TV in the available devices. If it is not available, then either you are connected to a different network or either your smart TV is turned off. Once you see your TV, you can click on it and it will connect you to your smart TV. Another thing you can do is open YouTube and go to any channel that you want. On their homepage, there will be a casting icon next to the name of their channel on the top bar. You can click on it and it will show your smart TV again. Click on it and you will be casting your phone to your TV. So this is how to cast your phone to your TV.